name is Dan Mitchke. I'm an electrical engineer with Beckwood Press, and I'm going to demonstrate one of our PC-based control systems for press control. We do 3 different types of HMI controls. We do one-to-wear, RS view, and this happens to be lab view. I'm going to go over the basic functionality of the lab view controls. First thing you see is you'll notice 2 graphs on the screen. We're charting velocity for data acquisition over time. I can enlarge that screen for better ease. We're also plotting force over time. I can also enlarge this screen as well. Basic information that we're showing here is we're showing the ram position in millimeters, we're showing the hydraulic pressure in pounds per square inch, we're showing the full area force in kilograms, and we're also capturing the peak force value for every cycle test. We have 2 modes of operation. We have inch mode and semi-automatic mode. Inch mode is like a jog. Semi-automatic will run the cycle automatically with the help of operator touch button. This press is designed for 2 operating modes. The first operating mode is pressure, where we maintain a pressure, a given pressure, down to a certain position that the operator selects. Our second mode is velocity mode, where we maintain a constant velocity at a given force down to a position. Basic operator inputs are pressure set point, position set point, dwell time, and maximum force alarm. What the maximum force alarm does is that gives a threshold of the maximum amount of force that the tooling can see. If the press exceeds this force, we'll shut down, we'll give an alarm that the operator has to acknowledge so that no tooling damage occurs. We have recipe functionality. We can load a recipe or teach a recipe. We can scroll through, we can name the recipe whatever the operator wants, whatever they're comfortable with. Basically, you're going to set up all the parameters on this screen as well as the parameters on the tuning screen. We have fast approach speed, slow approach speed, return speed, and inch mode speed. All these are going to be recipe values that will be stored under a recipe name and can be recalled or taught at any time. We have a data acquisition screen where they can tune the data acquisition. We have maximum force reset. This force reset resets the threshold that you set the alarm at, again to prevent damage to the tooling. We have a diagnostic screen to show the inputs and output status. And we have a variable limits on the up position. We can scroll the up position to whatever we want the home position of the press to be. We also have a slow approach limit position. We can scroll the slow approach limit to whatever we want to set that at. We also have our diagnostic panels right here. This shows the status of we're monitoring the overloads for the power unit, for the cooling unit, filter clogged, oil level low, PLC communication, delta communication error, light curtains blocked, e-stop engaged, and a loop system fault. The press is self-diagnostic and will show the operator anything that's wrong with it, why it will not start or why it will not function properly.